makita rin nimo ugma. So magbuhat ko sa imo. I forgot yours, but I will do yours. So mag-add tag layer, i-add imo OSM, which I forgot, murag tuto. Ako man ang trig for yata karon pa man. So this is spaghetti and. So lines lang o multi-polygons ay kalimtig control para kaning duha. Kani. Oh shit. Lines of polygons kay kung imo i-shift siya ma-drag ni siya. So control lines and polygons and layers na dayon. Then you close this. So sa multi-polygons, you mentioned na gusto kag commercial building para sa imuhang school supplies and dapat tuol siya sa schools and restaurants. So we will be extracting that from here sa query sa OSM. Tapos isulod nato ning buildings. Yeah, canvas extend, advance, i-uncheck ang points, lines, and multi-line strings. Then you run. You just wait. That it appears here. Okay? Pasig tiglag na ako laptop. Shit. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Yan ang person naman. Okay, so na siya. You can change na. Nag-change na yellow. I mean orange. Hindi na mag-mention na na siya na shade. Anyways, then sa amenity, kay naa sa amenity ang restaurants and schools, I believe, surround gapon siya. Nira na siya. There's amenity. And then, for this one, sa map and lines, ato ang gusto lang mag-query pa dito balik sa para sa lines na to, which is our highway. Highway. Hindi ko katapig highway mo. Oh, shit. Highway. Highway. So, canvas extend kahapon. However, for this one, i-uncheck na to tanan except sa lines. Lines, yes. So, run. And then, there it is. So, X na to. We remove these two. So, ato ang first to extract is to duplicate this. We want a commercial building, right? So we open the attribute table and we filter this by here building. Magawas ng commercial ani. So we filter this, go to building, type in commercial, and then select features. And then i-extract na nato siya, export, save selected features as, saan siya? So nga ito commercial in Pagadian. Ako lang ipandilito niya ba? Okay. Save na siya. Tapos, ang schools ko na ito. So, open attribute table, go back here, school. Okay. And then we same goes, select features, there are 56 schools. And then extract it, export it, save selected features, then rename it. Always remember na i-save siya here, schools in Pagadian 2. Wala naman daan. Okay. And then for the amenities, we can already delete this. Kaya human naman ta. We can remove layer na the building. And now for the amenities, kay ato ang gusto is the restaurants. Therefore, we also filter amenity and click type in restaurants. Same goes, select features, then export, then save gyapon nimo as your restaurants in Pagadian. Ako ba na